हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू माय चैनल अनफोल्ड लर्निंग। और आज मैं आपके साथ एक और सोल्यूशन वीडियो शेयर करने जा रही हूं जो है आईसीएसई मैथमेटिक्स फॉर क्लास 9 बाय ए दास गुप्ता एंड ए बनर्जी। आज हम इसका टॉपिक एल्जेब्रा जिसकी फर्स्ट यूनिट एक्सपेंशन ऑफ पावर्स ऑफ बाइनोमियल्स एंड ट्राइनोमियल्स स्टार्ट करेंगे। और आज हम इसकी एक्सरसाइज 1B का सोल्यूशन करने वाले हैं। और स्टार्ट करने के पहले इस एक्सरसाइज की प्रीवियस क्वेश्चंस मैंने अपने प्रीवियस वीडियोस में बता दिए हैं। और अगर आपको वीडियोस देखना है तो सबसे पहले आप मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि आपको सारी एक्सरसाइजेस के सोल्यूशन आसानी से मिल जाएं। तो आइए शुरू करते हैं फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन जिसका टॉपिक है ऑन सिंप्लीफिकेशन ऑफ a प्लस माइनस b इंटू ए स्क्वायर माइनस प्लस ए बी प्लस बी स्क्वायर. So we are going to use here two formulas that we have studied previously, that is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square is equal to a cube plus b cube, and second one is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square which is equal to a cube minus b cube. तो आपको याद रखना है कि अगर प्लस है so we keep negative in between, and if there is negative then we keep negative outside. Okay. So starting with the ninth question, simplify by using standard formula. So we have got the first part 3a plus 5y into 9x square minus 15xy plus 25y square. So we need to convert this question into this form. So first part, that will be 3x plus 5y, and we are going to write 9x square as 3x square minus 3x into 5y plus 5y square. So here this formula is being converted as a cube plus b cube. So we can write this as 3x whole cube plus 5y whole cube. So in all solving this we'll get 27x cube plus 125y cube. Similarly the next part, that is 2a plus 1 upon a into 4a square minus 2 plus 1 upon a square. ये भी सेम इसी फॉर्मूले के जैसा है, सो इसको भी हम इस तरीके से लिख सकते हैं 2a plus 1 upon a into 2a whole square minus 2a into 1 upon a plus 1 upon a whole square. So again we'll get the formula as 2a whole cube plus 1 upon a whole cube. So we get the answer as a cube plus 1 upon a cube. Next part is x minus 2y into x square plus 2xy plus 4y square. So now similarly this is on the second formula, that is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square which is equal to a cube minus b cube. So we'll be converting this as x minus 2y into, ये x का whole square लिख सकते हैं, plus 2y into x plus 4y square को मैंने 2y square लिख दिया. So we'll get this as x whole cube minus 2y whole cube. So we'll write this as x cube minus 8y cube. Next part is m minus 1 upon 2m into m square plus 1 upon 2 plus 1 upon 4 m square. So we can write this as m minus 1 upon 2m into m whole square plus m into 1 upon 2m plus 1 upon 2m whole square. So we'll get this as m cube minus 1 upon 2m whole cube. So we'll write this as m cube minus 1 upon 8 m cube. Hence this is the solution. Next part is simplify 1 plus x into 1 minus x into 1 minus x plus x square into 1 plus x square. So we'll combine and make the formula in such way that we get the cubes of the terms. So first term I am combining is 1 plus x into 1 minus x plus x square, and the second term I am combining is 1 minus x into 1 plus x square. So in all we'll get this as 1 cube plus x cube into 1 cube minus x cube. So as we know that a plus b into a minus b is a square minus b square. So similarly applying the formula here, so we'll get 1 cube whole square minus x cube whole square. As we have studied in exponent, when we write in bracket two powers, we multiply them. So we'll get this here 1 to the power 6 minus x to the power 6. And if we multiply 1 any number of times, we get the single number 1. So we'll get 1 minus x to the power 6. So hence this completes your topic. Next is on simplification of a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. So hence we get the formula for this as a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc. So we need to simplify this. So we'll make this formula as such we get to get this. So x plus y plus 2z into x square plus y square plus 4z square minus xy minus 2yz minus 2zx. So I'll be splitting each term into a, b, c. So we get this as x plus y plus 2z into x square plus y square plus 2z square minus x into y minus y into 2z minus 2z into x. So in all we'll get this as x cube plus y cube plus 2z whole cube minus 3x y and 2z. So on simplification we'll get x to the power 3 plus y cube plus 8z cube minus 6xy and z. I hope you understood this. Next is 3a plus 2b minus c into 9a square plus 4b square plus c square minus 6ab plus 2bc plus 3ca. So I'll be splitting these terms into a, b, c single terms. So we can write this as 3a plus 2b minus c. So I'll be taking this as plus of minus c. Okay. So further we'll be splitting this as 3a whole square plus 2b whole square plus minus c whole square minus 3a into 2b minus 2b into minus c minus 3a into minus c. So on combining these terms we'll get this as 3a whole cube plus 2b whole cube plus minus c whole cube minus 3 into 3a, 2b and minus c. So on solving this we'll get here, I'm writing it here, this we'll get as 27a cube plus 8b cube minus c cube, 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18 and minus minus is going to become plus 18abc. Hence this is the solution. So the next topic is on expansion of x plus a into x plus b into x plus c. So formula used for this x plus a into x plus b into x plus c is x cube, जो भी आपका टर्म है उसका क्यूब, दैट इज x जो भी वेरिएबल है, फिर है हमारे पास कॉन्स्टेंट्स दैट इज a, b एंड c. सो जो भी कॉन्स्टेंट्स होंगे उनको हम ऐड करके वेरिएबल का स्क्वायर कर देंगे. फिर ईच constant will be multiplied by one another and we'll get the sum and multiply with the variable x plus multiplication of the each constant a, b and c. So let us start with the question. Simplify the following by using standard formula and obtain the coefficient of x square and x. So we have got x plus 1 into x plus 3 into x plus 5. So we have got the variable as x, so we'll write here x cube plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 into x square plus we'll be writing multiplication of each constant. So 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 1 into x plus 1 into 3 into 5. So on solving this, we'll get x cube plus 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9 x square, and on multiplication we'll get 3 ones are 3 plus 5 threes are 15 plus 5. So in all we'll get this as 23x plus 15. 1 threes are 3, 3 fives are 15. So hence this is the solution, and we need to write the coefficient of x square and x. So coefficient of x square is 9 and coefficient of x is 23. I hope you understood this question. So next is a plus 2 into a minus 4 into a plus 6. So I can write this a minus 4 as a plus minus 4. Okay, so starting with the variable that is a, so we'll be writing here a cube plus, we'll write 2 and minus 4 को हम consider करेंगे. So minus 4 को जब हम sum करेंगे, we'll again get minus 4 and plus 6 into a square. Now we'll write the multiplication, that is 2 into minus 4 plus minus 4 into 6 plus 6 into 2 and the variable that is a. And now individual multiplication of each constant, that is 2 into minus 4 into plus 6. So here we'll have a cube. So 2 minus 4 is minus 2 plus 6 is plus 4 a square. Now solving this, 2 into minus 4 is minus 8, 6 4s is 24, so minus 24 and 6 2s is 12. So completely while solving this, we'll get minus 20a. And on multiplication of this, we'll get minus 48. Hence this is the solution. Next is 2x plus 1 into 2x plus 3 into 2x plus 5. So now here the variable is 2x, so we'll write 2x whole cube plus 1 plus 3 plus 5 into 2x plus multiplying each constant with one another, 1 into 3 plus 3 into 5 plus 5 into 1 into 2x plus 1 into 3 into 5. So on solving this, we'll get 8x cube. So 3 plus 1 is 4, 4 plus 5 is 9 and 9 2s is 18x. And on solving this, 3 1s are 3 plus 5 3s are 15 plus 5. Again we'll get this as 23. 23 into 2 is 46. Here it is x square, so we'll be multiplying by 2 again. So it is 36 plus 46x plus 15. Next is on application, find the value of. As we have seen previously that a cube plus b cube is equal to a cube plus b cube is equal to a plus b whole cube minus 3 into ab into a plus b. So I'll be solving this question on these two formulas. One more formula is a cube minus b cube, that is a minus b plus 3ab into a minus b. So here I'll be substituting and splitting these into these formulas. So I'll split this as a cube plus b cube. So here we can write this as 5.45 plus 3.55 whole cube minus 3 into 5.45 into 3.55 into 5.45 plus 3.55. So on solving this, we'll get this as 9 cube minus 3 into 5.45 into 3.55 into 9. So on solving this, we'll get 729 minus 522.3825. and on subtraction we'll get this as 206.6175. Hence this is the solution. Next is 8.12 whole cube minus 3.12 whole cube. So we'll be substituting in this formulae. So we can write this as 8.12 minus 3.12 whole cube plus 3 into 8.12 into 3.12 into 8.12 minus 3.12. And on solving this, we'll get 5 cube plus 3 into 8.12 into 3.12 into 5. And on solving this, we'll get 125 plus 380.016. And on addition, we'll get 505.016 as the answer. Next part is 1.81 multiplied by 1.81 minus 1.81 into 2.19 plus 2.19 into 2.19. As we have seen previously that I am writing here the formula that a cube plus b cube is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. So we got this term here और ये वाले टर्म को हम नीचे ले जाएंगे तो इसका फॉर्मूला हमारे पास आ जाएगा. तो सिमिलरली वी कैन राइट दिस एज 1.8 whole cube plus 2.19 whole cube whole upon 1.8 plus 2.19. As we have seen previously, for this we are going to split in this form. So we can write this as 1.81 plus 2.19 whole cube minus 3 into 1.81 into 2.19, and on addition of these two I am writing in short. We'll get this as 4 whole upon 4. So basic addition multiplication है ये आप कर सकते हैं. So we'll get the answer as 1 by 4 into 64 minus 47.5668, and on solving this we'll get 4.1083. Similarly the next part, this is also in the same form, so we can write this as 7.16 whole cube minus 2.16 whole cube. So 7.16 minus 2.16. So further solving this and substituting in this formulae, so we can write this as 1 by 5. This is on subtraction of this, and this one can be split as 7.16 minus 2.16 whole cube plus 3 into 7.16 into 2.16 into 7.16 minus 2.16, and on solving this we'll get 1 by 5 into 5 cube plus 3 into 7.16 into 2.16 into 5, and on solving this basic we'll get this as 71.3968 as the answer. So next question number 14, part A. If the sum and product of two numbers are 7 and 45 by 4 respectively, find the sum of their cubes. So here we need to find the sum of their cubes, and we have got two numbers. So we'll consider let the two numbers be A and B. So we are given the sum, that is A plus B is given 7, and the product, that is A into B, is 45 by 4. So as we know, we need to calculate A cube plus B cube. So we have the formula for this, that is A plus B whole cube minus 3 AB into A plus B. So now substituting here in the formula as 7 cube minus 3 into 45 by 4 into 7. So on solving this, we'll get this as 343 minus 945 by 4. Taking LCM as 4, we'll get 1372 minus 945. And on solving this, we'll get this as 427 by 4 as the answer. Next part is the difference of the two numbers is 10 and their product is minus 24. Find the difference of their cube. So let us consider the two numbers. Let the two numbers be x and y. Let us consider it as x and y. So we know the difference, that is x minus y is 10 and x into y is minus 24. So now we need to find the difference of the cube, that is x cube minus y cube, that is x minus y whole cube plus 3xy into x minus y. So now substituting in the formula, we will get the as 10 cube plus 3 into minus 24 into 10. So we will get this as 1000 minus 720. So in all solving this, we will get the value as 280. Hence this is the solution. आई होप आपको मेरे सोल्यूशन वीडियो ज़रूर पसंद आ रहे होंगे. अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट या क्वेरी है तो आप मेरे चैनल के कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके पूछ सकते हैं. एट लास्ट, डोंट फॉरगेट टू लाइक एंड शेयर माई वीडियोज़ विद योर फैमिली एंड फ्रेंड्स, एंड प्लीज़ डू सब्सक्राइब माई चैनल. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग.